Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along with me as I walk or trek to the grocery store for shopping. So the grocery store is not far from my starting point. It's like 5 minutes drive, but I am going to walk to the store today so that I can complete my 10,000 steps goal for today. So come with me as we walk along. So yeah, I go. So as you can see, some part of this road is not does not have a walking path. So I'm just going to cross to the other side. So because on this other side we have grass on that side. Yeah. The other side, as you can see, have grass. There's no walking path on that side, so I crossed to this side. So yeah, let's go. Let's keep walking to the grocery store. It rained a little bit yesterday, so there's some water on the road, so I'm going to be careful as I walk. Yeah, so while we walk, I'm going to talk to you about some benefits of trekking or walking. Yeah, some benefits of walking is that it's going to walking strengthens your legs, your bones, your joints are strengthened when you walk. Yeah, so your muscles also is strengthened when you go for a walk. And yeah, walking or trekking also improves your heart and your lung health. And another thing that trekking will do for your health is that it lowers your cortisol. So cortisol is the stress hormone. So if you feel stressed, do some trekking to lower your stress level. So another benefit of trekking is that the natural sunlight, being exposed also to the open breeze, the open space, will improve your mood and gives you, mental clarity. Yeah, trekking is good for the brain. And of course, trekking helps you to lose weight and keeps you fit. Trekking keeps you fit, both physically and spiritually. So because when you trek, you have some spiritual benefits that you can take advantage of also. You can pray and speak in tongues as you walk. Yeah. So let's go. Let's keep walking to the store as I do my grocery shopping for today. So I'm going to cross to the other side. I'm getting close to the grocery store now. I'm going to cross to the other side of the road. So where I am, this part of the walking path does not continue because there's grass there. So I'm crossing to the other side of the road so I can continue trekking. Oh yeah, I'm speaking in tongues also and praying as I walk. Just showing you that it's only grass you have in front of that subdivision. So that's why I crossed to the other side. Yeah, the rain from yesterday. Now I'm on the other side, so I have to walk on the grass now a little bit. As I go, keep walking. So where are you watching from? I want you to comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Also, tell me what you think about this video. What other type of videos do you want me to upload? Also tell me what do you think about my YouTube channel? How can I improve it? Let me know in the comment section. I also want you to subscribe wherever you're watching from, whether in the US, outside the US. Subscribe to my channel so that you can watch beneficial videos like this. Yeah, my YouTube channel is about making healthy choices. It's about cooking, healthy food, healthy drinks, and tips like this that I'm showing you now to give you tips about healthy choices like walking, which I'm doing today. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also click the notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And most importantly, like this video. Yes, click that thumbs up button to like this video. God bless you as you do that. So let's keep trekking. Just arriving now at the grocery store. Told you it's not very far. So yeah, I'm already in the premises of the grocery store. Let's keep going. Track. That's me. So another benefit of walking is that it will help you to use up your energy. Yes, your blood sugar. Yeah, when you trek, the muscles, your big muscles are in your legs. So the big muscles, they pull, energy from your blood sugar to function. And that's, they use up your blood sugar quickly. So, and that will lower your blood sugar. So if you're struggling with high blood sugar levels, make sure you're walking. So yeah, in my favorite section of the grocery store. Yes, I'm always in this section. This is my section. The fruits, the vegetable section, the juice section. I'm always here. So if I cannot prep something at home, I can come here and quickly grab some of this. This is my section. The vegetables and fruit section. This is where you will find me. So I'm just going to grab some of those. Grabbing some of the green juice. Look for some ginger. The benefit of ginger is understated. As the name implies, when you take ginger, it gingers you up. So I'm getting some ginger. Yes, ginger is anti-inflammatory. If you feel pains in your body, always take ginger. Ginger is good. I'm also trying to get some raw turmeric. I think I have some powdered ones at home. Let me get some coconut also. I'm going to make a coconut recipe made out of coconut later. I got everything I need, so let's keep going, let's keep moving, keep walking. So I'm done with my shopping. I'm done with my grocery shopping. I'm heading back home. Yeah. So I'm walking back all the way the same route. So by now the walking is already telling. I'm sweating a little bit now. So, and I have some bags I'm carrying. So the walking back is a little bit more of like lifting weights because I have my grocery bag with me that I'm also lifting. So this is also exerting some, pressure on my muscles in my legs. So that is also using some of those. Again, where are you watching from? Click the subscribe button. Click that thumbs up button to like this video and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, write in the comment section, what do you think about walking? Is this something you would like to try? Yeah, maybe they try. See? Yeah. If you cannot trek to the grocery store, maybe you can also walk around in your subdivision, in your apartment complex, or maybe you can go to a walking trail. Yeah, if you have a walking trail around you, or you can drive to a walking trail actually and park there and walk around the trail. Yeah, that is very good also. Or another option, you can go to the mall, walk around the mall. By the time you finish walking, maybe you can complete like between 5,000 steps or maybe up to 10,000 steps. Yeah. So let's keep going. One good thing about walking or trekking is that it is not as strenuous as being in the gym or riding a bike. It's easy, you're doing it at your own pace, but yet you're burning some energy. Yes, you're burning some calories. Yeah, you're doing it at your own pace. It's an easy way, to burn those calories. And you're doing it in the open air, it's not in a confined space. That helps you. It helps your brain, it helps your thoughts, your mood, and it boosts up your energy level also. So if you're always feeling tired and fatigued, take a walk like this, and you're going to get back your energy, your strength, your vigor. Let's keep going. Still speaking in tongues.
I did it.
Praying as we're walking back. So we're going to cross to the other side of the road now.
Crossing to the other side of the road.
Well, I've come to the end of my walking for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. You have a blessed day. Bye.